kamusta kayo? Happy na dito ako ulit. Siyempre, showbiz industry, hindi naman talaga ako nagtagal doon. But I feel that going back to a premiere is something that I feel very happy about.
Sino ang kinakamusta? Sino ang sinusuportahan mo tuloy?
Well, ang production, tsaka ang cast. So as the chairman of the Special Committee on Creative Industries, gusto ko rin to be in touch with the creative industries. Alaman natin kung paano pa natin supportahan ang industriya.
Grabe, syempre kung nasa showbiz kami, akala namin nililigawan ka uli
wala. Alam mo, happy ako na to be just working and focusing on myself.
Nakamiss mo ba yung
mga ganitong ganun? Nakakamiss dahil yung energy, yung creatives talagang napakaganda. Ang talento ng Pinoy, ating mga artists, production, pang workstation talaga.
I saw that pinalabas mo yung Sunshine sa Congress.
Yes.
Kamusta yung reception?
Very happy with the reception dahil advocacy film ko yan. And si Direct Tonet with the whole team, sobrang galing, critically acclaimed, at the same time commercially successful. So yung advocacy really resonated with our fellow lawmakers. Yun yung point talaga na dito dapat natin ipakita to show kung ano yung pinaglalaban ng film ng Sunshine. And to really have that dialogue within our lawmakers.
And, go ahead.
Yes. In-invite po ako ni Garly Garcia, head ko ng MIU. She said, punta ka dito sa screening ng Sunshine. So I said, okay, pupunta ako. And I was, actually yung whole movie, I was uneasy until even towards the end. Hindi ko na spoil yung ending, pero even medyo light yung ending, I still was uneasy dahil i-share ko lang din na I was a former mayor sa hometown namin sa Victoria City, and nakita ko first hand yung mga epekto ng teenage pregnancy sa amin. We have about 189 when we started teenage pregnant cases. We already brought it down to about 102 for this year, and grabe yung advocacy namin dahil yung mga cases ng teenage pregnancy, apektado yung nanay, they had to stop school, apektado yung bata dahil yung first 1,000 days, kulang ng nutrition, dehado na sila, hindi pa sila pinapanganak. So very touching sa akin, and then I said, kailangan natin ipakita sa Congress.
What did you discuss with Maurice regarding this?
What do you mean? About the movie?
Oo, bakit yung iba ba?
Wala.
About the movie,
Siyempre, kamusta yung role niya sa Sunshine?
Diba parang iba yung ngiti mo?
Hindi, wala. Ikaw naman. Wala. Kaibigan ko yung mga love team niya.
Magbabless ka.
Ano talaga?
Rosy Chick.
Bilis ako mag-red. Happy siya na pinakita namin sa Congress. Tapos yung ibang lawmakers nagsabi, dalhin namin sa distrito, ganun. So,
yeah.
Ano ba? Kaya pawisan na talaga ako dito. Best friend yan ng ex ko.
Oh! So at least friends pa rin kayo?
Yun nga, buti nga friends lang kami. I wasn't sure na baka, because close sila ni Sue. Okay naman.
Kamusta, no? Kasi tawag mo rito. Ngayon, syempre, ang init ng Congress, ang init ng Senate. Natural na matanong namin tungkol sa mga Nepo baby.
Napakainit.
So, do you have any hand on this? Kumbaga parang would be also speaking out?
I've made statements that we're against all of this. Siyempre yung ghost projects din. We're for accountability and transparency. When I was mayor, part po ako ng Mayors for Good Governance. Actually, invite ako ni Mayor Vico at the time. So, nakamusto ko si Mayor Benji. And then, hanggang ngayon, I still signed for it. Actually, nung lumabas, nagulat nga ako. Sabi ko, ano lang, kahit lagyan niya na former mayor. Sabi nila, hindi, lagyan natin congressman. So, yung unang labas, ako lang yung Kong na nandun sa Mayors for Good Governance. But, I think with this, it's I stand by the president when he said that we will investigate all of this. Pero kailangan, I think Webcam. Tuloy-tuloy po to. But it should also be peaceful. I understand, not fully understand, but I see where everyone else are coming from, yung outrage, yung galit. I hope maging productive eventually yung ating mangyari. May mananagot. At the end of the day, kailangan may mananagot.
How is this? You move around in such a small circle. You guys, you know them personally. You guys are friends. Kamusta yan behind the scenes? Can you take us?
Grabe rin talaga dahil I came from Congress today. Alam niyo ba yung nangyari today with the Senate hearing?
Mga pangalan. Nakikita mo yan. Nakakasama mo yan.
Yes. But at the end of the day, sila dapat yung mag-respond doon. I don't have any comment about yung kanilang distrito. Kung sino yung mga naapektuhan. Gusto lang sabihin is I support the creation of the independent commission dahil yung nangyayari ngayon sa Senate hearing is sinabi nila yung last hearing ganito, sinabi nila sa hearing kanina medyo iba. Ba't nagka-inconsistency? So let's see kung how this will be moving forward.
Are you single pa ngayon o may dinadate ka ngayon?
Single.
Kahit paano meron kang personal inspiration?
Yes, nakakamiss yung inspiration na gano'n.
Matagal din yun.
Yes, I'm leading towards that. I'm very happy for them. Every 5 years kami na Mexico. Just found someone new. I'm happy for them. Feeling ko nga, sila na yung endgame. So, happy talaga ako.
Personally, ikaw, hindi mo ba nami-miss na sa ito someday ko? Hindi ko naman maging masaya.
Sana, masaya naman ako. Wala ako naman kasama. Pero nakakamiss minsan sa times na pagod ka sa araw. Tapos, syempre, at the end, kasama mo sa kwarto, kasama mo kamusta, ano yung mga nangyari. Someday. Ako, iniisip ko nga, ang dami ng age ko na nakakasal na, nagkakaanak na.
Pressure ka na.
Pero sabi ko, in the right time, it will come. No? Ganyan naman talaga eh. And hindi mo rin ina-expect, baka may mangyari. So, ako hindi talaga ako nag-actively naghahanap. Ang dami pa nangyayari ngayon. So, I want to make sure that the work is clean, efficient, and inclusive. And then the work that I do.
Pero tingin mo next time na magkakaroon ka ng karelasyon, showbiz mo or not showbiz?
Baka ng showbiz. Baka ng showbiz. Pero tinan natin. Hindi natin masabi.
Pero kung kamusta kayo ni Sue? Are you friends? Ni Sue ngayon?
I'd like to say
You still communicate or...
Hindi naman kami nag-unfollowan, etc. Yung last, although nag-congratulate siya sa family ko tsaka sa team ko nung nanalo ako, pero hindi namin message, pero okay lang. I think we're still friends. I haven't seen her since our last conversation nung we went separate ways. So,
Are you happy?
Pero at the time, I mean, talagang walang issue sa aming dalawa. We both felt that it was time to move on.
Are you happy? Na happy rin siya sa love life niya ngayon?
Happy ako sa kanya. I'm very happy.
Do you know personally, Dom? Nagka-encounter ba kayo before?
I didn't meet him before, pero alam ko nag-uusap sila noon for other things. So hindi naman talagang for any love interest or those things. It was about, I think, he was asking if we were interested in buying a car.
Ganun pa.
Yun lang po. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.